Hi everyone, welcome back to the studio. I was just working on these and thought I would just pop on because I'm using these big brushes, big paintings, big brushes, and I'm really enjoying it. So I just wanted to show you, grab some paint, the fun I'm having with this really big brush. Watch. Loving it. I've been working on this one, my blue and yellow beginnings. So I've been working on this one, and this one I'm really liking. I've got some really nice shades using the blue and yellow palette. And then the big one, the big 80 by 80 centimetre canvas, which started with blue and yellow. Yeah, that started just yellow, and the other one, that one started just blue. This is my favourite so far. What do you think? So I'm just going to continue having a little play around with my big brush and see what happens. Really loving this lighty, greeny, turquoise colour. Just the end of the brush to get some extra marks in there. You know, I can't resist. Good to turn your canvas around because you see it differently, and I've just spotted that I think I want to put that greeny right to the end. Although I'll probably never get the same greeny colour as I've dipped it in the turquoise. Now I feel like I want to go with a little bit of darker up here in this corner that I lost. So we popped off to the Atlantic coast this weekend here in south of France, a place called Saint-Jean-de-Luz, and it's a beach, of course. Can you tell? I'll drop a few pictures in. So I'm not sure if this is going to end up as a diptych with the two. I've got much space. Oh, brushes are in the way. That's all I can manage for now. We'll see. It's a bit of a beachy sea scene. So I think I've done all I can with the big brush. Well, I feel like I've done enough with the big brush. Time to change sizes, get some different tools out. But yeah, if you haven't had a go with the big brush, have a go. Even a small painting can work really well. Some big, bold marks. I'm going to continue. What's your favourite so far? Still liking this one. But like usual, I'm sure they're going to change a lot. Make sure you subscribe to see when I put another video out. It's summer here, so a bit everywhere. But if you subscribe, you'll get notified that, well, it'll just pop up in your feed that I've got something new out. So thanks for that. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good holiday wherever you are. Bye for now. Au revoir.